This weekend, millions of Girl Scout cookies were distributed across North Florida in just 2 days. These cookies will be available at booths beginning February 10th and available for direct shipping online starting February 27th. 100% of the proceeds from the sale of Girl Scout cookies stays local. The funds raised enables Girl Scouts of Gateway Council to provide unique, amazing experiences for girls year-round, and helps Girl Scout troops improve their communities through take action and community service projects. Through the Girl Scout Cookie Program, girls cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset and learn 5 essential life skills: goal setting, decision making, money management, people skills, and business ethics.
With the cookie money, I'm going to earn camp credits and I'm going to give it to other girls.